Okay, so we've done all around our edging, and I'm getting to the end here. And remember, we're going to go through both, right? Front, back, pull through both, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through again. Now, as we get close, okay, oh boy, here we go. As we get close, there are 2 ways of doing this. I'm just going to show you the simple way because honestly it's just going to be easier, and I don't think it's really going to make too much of a difference. So here we are, right? And what you can see is that instead of going through this same loop again, that would cause 2 of them, we're just going to go ahead and pick up on these top 2 right here. Okay, one more time. Here I am, and we're going to connect and start the second row. And to do that, I'm just going to go right through the front and the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and there we are. And now we're just going to continue. Now it's easier because we don't really have to poke through the swatches, and we're just going to keep going all around doing our single crochet with our edging. This project is mainly just all about single crocheting. Okay. Alright, let me pull that through again. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this and have the camera in the right position here. Okay, and I'm going to just show you what's going to happen when we get to that corner edge right here. And you know, when I poke through, my finger is back here to feel it right there. You know, I can feel it right there. So that's what's happening with my other finger back there. Okay. Now, here we are with the 3. 1, 2, 3. And where do I want to do 3 additional ones on this corner? Right in the middle one. So here's single crochet number 1 that's at the corner. Number 1 of the 3 that I put there. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that normal. But then when I get to this corner one right here, I'm going to put 3 in that corner. If you don't do that, what's going to happen is it's going to curl up on your corners, and you don't want that. So this is 2 and then 3. So I'm done with that middle corner piece right there. Then I'm going to continue right over here. And I'm going to show you right now what that looks like on that corner piece right there. So you see, and it lays nice and flat. There's no curling. If you don't do that, it starts to do this. It starts to curl up like that. You don't want that. So that's what you'll want to do. Remember, first round, 3 on each corner. Second round, 3 on each corner right on that middle one. And this should go fairly quick now because you're not having to poke through 2 swatches. You're just, you know, you're doing this right here, and it should be a breeze at this point. Okay. And if you think this is quick, this is nothing compared to people who really crochet every day. I mean, there's some people that are really, really quick. This is nothing. This is slow, honestly. Just going to do one more corner. So not this one, but this next one is the one where it's going to be right here. That's the middle of that corner, and right in there I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3, and now I go to the next one. And let's stop for a minute there so you see how nice and square these are. That's what you want to do, and you want to go all the way around. And when you get to the last bit right here, we're going to do a slip knot.